do you cut a pomelo? You may cut it this way, all the way, or you may cut it this way. I'll do it this way. Oh, my knife is so blunt. Just hold on, please. I'll use this knife. Okay, don't go in too deep. Just slightly. Okay, once you've gone the whole circle, you can then just split it open like this. Just pull it down. Okay, one side done, then the other side. Okay, you're almost done. You've taken out the skin. Okay, so what you do next is peel off some of the cover there, and you can split it into two. Okay, then you can serve it on the skin itself. You don't need any serving plates. And there you have it. All these can be thrown off, the skin. You can just take off the skin later. And there you have it, how to cut open a pomelo.